We all know that O.P. Nair never used Lata Mangeshkar's voice in his compositions. But did you know that another stalwart of the industry once refused to work with the Nightingale? Sahir Ludhianvi. It all started when, in the presence of both Lata Mangeshkar and Sahir, a filmmaker remarked, "Sahir साहब, अगर लता की आवाज ना हो तो आपके गीत बेजान हैं." The comment did not sit well with Sahir, a poet who took immense pride in his craft. Angered by the suggestion that his poetry depended on a singer's voice, he made a bold declaration. जब तक मैं ये साबित ना कर दिखाऊंगा कि अच्छी अदबी शायरी लता मंगेशकर की आवाज की मोहताज नहीं है, लता मंगेशकर मेरा एक भी गीत नहीं गाएंगी. True to his word, for the next 2 years, Sahir ensured that none of his songs were sung by Lata Mangeshkar. Instead, he turned to lesser-known singers like Sudha Malhotra, yet his songs continued to be successful. It was a daring move. After all, most filmmakers would not risk alienating Lata Mangeshkar, but Sahir stood his ground. Interestingly, 3 of his most celebrated works, Pyasa, Naya Daur and Phir Subah Hogi, had not a single song sung by Lata Mangeshkar. Eventually, Sahir and Lata reconciled, as Sahir himself put it, अब लता मंगेशकर के साथ मेरी फिर से दोस्ती हो गई है. अब दोस्ती सही मायनों में हुई है. दोस्ती दरअसल 2 बराबर में होती है. From film Sadhana onwards, Lata's voice once again found its way into Sahir's poetry with the song औरत ने जन्म दिया मर्दों को.
औरत ने जन्म दिया मर्दों को, मर्दों ने उसे
But for those years, the poet had made his point. His words had a life of their own, even without the voice of the greatest singer of that era.